Hello. So hopefully everyone can hear me now and even see me now. All right. So can we have all views? It's like, can everybody hear me?
Hey, I can hear you. It's Roshan here. Looks
Yeah, hi,
like other
Roshan.
people have joined to the chat and they haven't joined to the call.
Yeah, they have not replied, but they are there. Few other people are viewing it. No issues
Was
in
it?
this.
Okay,
Mhm.
okay. Because I could see here, it's only investment on me in the bottom
Yeah,
right side. I couldn't see other one.
but other people are also viewing this.
Okay, okay.
They have not.
Then,
Yeah.
okay, that's great.
All right. Basically, let me introduce myself. Myself, Piyush Kumar. I'm a founder and CEO of Investment Trust. We are partner with basically not with only in this Zerodha. We are partnered with all the discount brokers which are giving you good facilities. Good facilities. When we talk about good facilities, then we are talking about their softwares, their the brokerage which they are charging, and the other stuffs. It's like whatever if at all they are coming with new futures plans. So those future plans are nothing but these discount brokers came into this Indian market just for the brokerage thing. But as you know, these brokerage are very low as compared to other full-fledged the brokers which they are giving you everything, insurance, mutual funds, IPOs, and everything they are giving you. So basically, what happening here is they are earning money, but the thing is they want to earn more. Everybody wants to do that. So they are going into some other kind of segments also. As you know that investment trust, the Zerodha already started with the mutual funds things. They are they have already started with gold bonds, other things, and even they are coming with insurance and other things. We do have other brokers which are tie up with us. For the name few, Upstock is there, then Ashler is there. So these are the few discount brokers which most of the people don't know. They have started just now. Basically, Zerodha had started in 2010, so long back, almost 6 years are completed. Before Zerodha, RKSV was there, but they have could not picked up so much. So Zerodha is just because of these things famous a lot into the market. So basically, we'll be now. This is a small introduction about me and what exactly I do. I do basically I do financial planning for people, and I also recommend stocks for not only for intraday. We also recommend for positionals, means like say for a week or 2 or a month, 3 months, 6 months. We do recommend some stocks which are for a longer period of time. So for say it can be a for investment kind of things, but those stocks we only give to few of our clients, not everyone, because where we can see that the touch or the fit between me and my clients are going well, then only we can provide those kind of stocks to them. Because as you know, those kind of stocks will be giving you returns on a longer period of time. But we don't know, or any this thing analyst don't know whether those client will be with you for a longer period of time or not. So when we see that the client is going well with us, then only we provide these investment stocks where you can see that we are providing you those stocks for a lower this thing low very lower cost, the price which is going on around 40 rupees, 30 rupees, 10 rupees, or maybe 50 rupees, and later on after 5 years you can see that those stocks are trading around 400 or 500, like that. So there you can earn a huge profit. And again, there is no taxation on it, because as you know, long-term capital gains are non-taxable. So there you can save a lot of money. So this is about me. I'm purely on stocks right now and mutual funds. Even we are expanding our business to insurance and other things like real estate. But it will be in 2017, not in 2016. So this is what we are coming up with in investment trust. So basically, I'll be providing you our most of the people might be knowing our website also, Anyhow, you can come down there. We have added some few more things. So this is about me and my company and my website. So let me start with what we are going to do today. We are going to do, as you know, Zerodha or many other discount brokers are there, and most of the clients who are coming with these brokers, they are actually not investors. They are actually are traders. So most of the clients which are with Zerodha or other discount brokers, they're actually traders. So they'll be intraday traders. So most of the queries I get from Zerodha clients are how to pick the stocks for intraday or how to make money in intraday. So we'll be talking about the mistakes which the traders are doing into the market in market while trading, and how to make profit and how to select the stocks which can move in the intraday things. So it's very simple. Basically, you have to understand one thing in this market in the starting, that there is no surety that you will be every day you will be getting profits. You have to understand this reality. This is the reality of this market, that every day you will not end up into profits. You have to come out with some losses if at all you see that the counter or the stocks which you have selected are going against your predictions or the assumptions. Then you have to book some losses. The small losses you can book out and you can come out from that. But again, if at all we have to book the losses, why we are attending this seminar? Fine, that's correct answer. The correct questions. So we are actually answering with that. It's like how to select the stocks. So first of all, in the morning time, whenever you get up, you just have to see one thing. I'll be sharing my screen with you guys. So you will be having an idea what exactly I do in the morning and what I do in noon time also, or maybe after the market hours when the market closed. So we'll be talking about purely of the stocks. It's like no commodity market. We are only talking about the stock market, which is the equity. So I'm sharing my screen with you guys. I hope everyone can see this. I'll just close it. Is it visible to everyone? Clear?
Yeah,
All right. So in the morning time, whenever you get up, or while the market hours also, you can just go through this, and you can just, this is what you have to go with. Money control have a this thing, global indices, where you can see how other markets are performing in day-to-day things. So basically, you have to. I'll come one by one. So let comes here. So basically, what happens? These just forget these below NSE. Just concentrate on US market, European market, and the Asian market. So what happened? These market will be opening in the market. Sorry, in the morning first in the starting, and then you will be seeing all these market will be going getting open one after one. So what happened at 12:30 or 12:40? This European market will get open, and afterwards, what happened when our market will close? This US market will get open. So what we have to see is whenever we are seeing some possibilities of positivity in the other market, like Asian markets, many of the viewers which are viewing this video might be knowing this. I'm not telling this is a new thing to you, but I'm just telling you what exactly I am doing in this video, what exactly I do while my trading or suggestions to other people. So this is what you have to look at. So this is there you can see that there is no much of negativity in the market today, in the Asian market, and as a Nifty is also consolidating there. So now I'll be coming to the points where the Nifty is consolidating. What are the points where exactly the Nifty will be or how will be the move after this. All these things we'll be discussing later on, but let us concentrate on these figures right now. So as you can see, this is positive 0.01%, this is negative 0.49, positive 0.36. So as you see, all the markets are open for 2nd of September. These are the markets which are closed yet. They will be opening soon. So whereas you come to a conclusion by looking at these points that not much of the negativity are there in the market. So this is very clear that there is no such downfall or something is happening into the market, and there is no worried about this thing. So this is the first thing which you have to look out in the morning time. So around 7:30, 8 o'clock, you can just look out at this thing. And later on, if at all you want to have the second perception, is like how the market will be for next day, then still you can watch this in the evening time till 11 o'clock. US market will be open till 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock like that. I don't remember the correct timings. But as you know that the commodity market will be open till 11 o'clock. So the fluctuation in the Nifty will be shown to you till 11 o'clock. All right. So now coming to the point, after looking all these things, what the second thing you have to look out? As you know, these are the gold price, crude oil price, and the silver and the dollars will be there. So these are the things. If at all you see the commodity market is moving up, this is a little bit. I'm just telling you how to make the predictions about the market. It will not be exactly what you are thinking, but it will be more or less the same. So now when we come to the crude oil, the basic point is the crude oil. Whenever you see the crude oil is jumping very high, then obviously there is a possibility of that market, it's like our Asian market or Nifty, you can take it for our this thing, market can move up. So this is the one thing which we have to keep in mind. Other thing is whenever you see a huge fall in gold market or the silver market, then again there is a possibility of Nifty going up. There will not be it's like exactly what we are thinking, because these are the markets which are interconnected with each others. All right. So not only the commodity market is connected with our Nifty or other markets, but other markets of European market and US market is also connected with the Asian market. Asian markets, it's like the Nifty market. Nifty is also common as Asian market. So this point is very clear. So now what we do in the second thing, what we have to do, don't most of the people, now we are coming to the mistakes, what mistakes people do. uh, so most of the people, what they do is, they are trading. Suppose I am just taking an example. Suppose they are trading in, they have traded yesterday in SBI. So today also they'll concentrate on SBI. Next day also they'll be concentrating on SBI. Don't ever stick to one stock. This is the one mistake which people do, because the traders do, I might say that. Because what happened, you'll be sticking to one stock. That particular stock will not be giving you momentum every time, every day, right? So this is the one thing. And if at all you are sticking to that particular stock on everyday basis, then you should be very clear on those stocks. Then where is the support of that stock will be coming. It's like how to recognize this, the stop loss or this thing, support and the resistance of the stocks again. Whereas we have covered these topics previously in our seminars, but again we'll be coming because this is the intraday seminar. So that person or the trader should be very clear with the support and the resistance of the that particular stock. If at all he is constantly it's like watching that stock on a daily basis. So this is the one thing which they have to do. So now the other thing is how to select the stocks for a daily basis. Go blindly with the money control again. Money control, here you can see top six. I think they gave us top six because I don't go regularly with these things. I go with the news and all those things. News. The other thing is, I'm telling you, I'm going with the news in a sense. I'm not watching those news in the market hours. Don't go with the news in the market hours or the analyst who are telling you in CNBC, Avaz, or one more channel is there. I think CNBC in English was there something. So that these two channels are there. Most of the traders watch these channels. I don't recommend these channels to be watched during market hours because the technical analyst or the analyst or some of the other CEOs or some market viewers will be this thing will be there, and they'll be suggesting you some stocks. Those stocks might go up. Even we are telling you the same thing. We are suggesting you some stocks. Those stocks can go up. Those stocks can come down. But the thing is, you have to understand one difference. Let me give you one example. You are one person. They have you're working for a company, and that company is telling you, fine, this month's salary will not be given to you, or can you work for us free of cost? How will it be? Channels are giving them money. They are not taking any money from you. So they are not giving you. I'm not telling that they are very bad these things, but go with the individual analyst. If at all you are going with, you have to stick with one analyst. And there is a major difference with the paid services. This is not only in the stock market. This is everywhere. Whenever you are taking a free services, you will not be getting that kind of services which they are giving to their paid subscriptions or paid clients, right? Even we give to our free subscription, we give us one trade every day free of cost to everyone, lifelong. So that what happens there, we recommend them one stocks. We tell them, fine. Yesterday the same thing happened. We had recommend them one stock, and what we tell them, we'll be giving you one profitable trade every day. That is for sure, for lifelong. So what happened yesterday? We had recommended one stock that triggered a stop loss. We told them, fine, we'll be giving you one more stock. But unfortunately, we could not find out one more stock, and that is how even we face a bad name on that thing. We'll be getting a bad name saying that they had told us that they'll be giving us one stock, but they had not recommended after the stop loss triggered. But today, as PS jewelries we had given, and that the morning time only the target has been achieved. After that, we had not given any single free trades to them. But yes, paid services people will be getting the uh, calls after that. Means like, and we are giving only the free trials in equities, free stock recommendations and only in equities. We are not giving in futures or in options. If at all a clients or traders want to do that, then they can come out with the paid services, and we can provide that. And in paid services, we are not giving only the intraday thing. We are giving everything. It's like the positional trades also. And if at all we see that uh, the client is with us for many time, and we recommend them investment stocks also, which can give them a huge returns after 5 years or 6 years, like that. So these are the things which we are providing. So you have six now, top six stocks for today. Money control, I don't know whether it will be opening. Yeah, super six, 28 September. Let's see, because I come very rarely to this. This is for July. Okay, fine. We'll just leave this. Most of the people are following this. I don't know. If at all you are following, this is the best thing which you can do with. And the other things I'll be telling you. There is an Pi software. I assume that everyone who is a viewer of this video is from Zerodha, and if at all they are not, I'll tell them this is a software which is a Pi software from provided from Zerodha. One second. Yes. So what happens here? I was just watching some stocks in the morning time. So first of all, we'll be coming to the uh, NFO. We'll be coming to Nifty. So what is the scenario in Nifty? Nifty, we have seen that yesterday it had came down. And whenever you're going with the intraday, most of the people ask me which time frame should I go. You must don't go with the 1 or 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes like that. Don't go with the smaller minutes because it will be giving you very wrong informations also because it will be fluctuating very soon and you can see the up and down movements very frequently. So go with the 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or if at all you are very big risk trader, then you can go with the 30 minutes like that charts. So we'll go with the 5 minutes chart. Picking of the stocks will be coming later on, but let us see what is the scenario of right now, what is the scenario of Nifty. So as we can see, we'll just reduce the size of it and we'll come to the conclusion what is the support and what is the resistance of the Nifty, right? So as you can see, or else if at all, chalo, theek hai, fine. We'll go with the smaller case. So we are not going with a huge this time volume, is like already moved up. We'll be concentrating on this part because Nifty is from in this particular price range from 31st onwards. The 31st, this is 2 days or almost over. This third day going on between these prices. So what is the conclusion between these prices? Fine. So as we can see that Nifty moved up to this level, and after that it came down to this. What is this? This is the low of 8811. Yeah, right. And after that again broke came up to what level? The high of 8863. So these are the levels. Again came down to same levels, which is 8812, which is again 8811, 8812. These are the levels where Nifty is trading right now. So what can be the support? Support in my definition is the price where the stock or any underlying asset come to that price again and again, test that price, but don't break that price. So according to that definition, what is the support of this Nifty future right now is this 8811. We'll take a rough idea of, for a safer side, we'll take off. This is, sorry, we'll take this as a support. All right. If at all, yes, I must say this. If at all anybody will be having any question, please stop me in between. And if at all you don't want to stop me in between, you can just post your questions here. I One second. Can you see some questions option there where you can ask the question?
Oh yeah, I can see it.
All right. And other people can they see that? Let me stop my sharing first of all, and then let me start. So people can see this Q&A section there. Can they? Roshan, sir, just give me a second. I'll just calm down.
Okay.
Yes. We'll start now. So we were on Nifty. So how to select the means like how to get the support of this? I think you're clear with these things. How to once again, I'll just share you my screen. All right. So is it visible, right, sir? So this is which we are talking about Nifty. Nifty, how to select the stop loss, and we will be coming to the volumes also as we had got some request. We had taken the suggestions also into the suggestions. We had got some suggestions like how to select the stocks on volumes of breakout. We'll be definitely talking about those things because volumes are again the best part or the very important part in intraday. Not only in intraday, whether you are selecting for whether you are selecting the stocks for intraday or whether you are selecting those stocks for positional or a long period of time. Volumes plays a very vital role there. So we'll be definitely coming to the volumes part also, but let us understand one by one how to how what are the steps where you have to select the stocks and what are the things you have to keep in your mind. So most of the things which run here and there is your support and resistance. So we had selected this as a support, or we can just come down to the correct support, which is 8811. All right, sir. So this is what. So here we had seen this, and we had seen, or you can say this price as one price means like this is the price where the stock has been came up down to the support, went above this price level, came to this price, and again I'll be telling. Let me draw the resistance of this. So we'll take this as a resistance. Why we are taking this as a resistance? I'll be telling. This price has been moved up to this level. We are not seeing this scenario right now. We just knew this Nifty has been came to this level, which is 8840, and after that Nifty came down to 88811. All right, and after that we'll be assuming whenever we don't think about these pricing, we don't know about these pricing, just think that these price levels we had not seen in the future. We are just at this price of we are just at the moment we are at this price of moment. All right, now how to predict the next move. So whenever this is the resistance of the stock and this is the support of that stock. Hope everyone is clear about my things. No, nobody is getting confused about these things. If at all you get any confusion, you can just write it down anywhere, like in the comment section or in the message or the Q&A sections. I'll be answering those things again. So we had taken the support, which is new support. We didn't knew any previous support past, and we had not got any resistance also in the past. So now we are not sure whether the market will move down breaking this or not. When market moved up, we had taken this support because market has came down to this level, and after that it moved up, so we had taken this support. Otherwise this support has not been came into the existence. Fine. After that, already this resistance has been, but we knew this about the resistance, right? We knew about this resistance. After that we had got this support, but resistance has been recognized before the support. So we knew this is the resistance. Fine. When this market, the Nifty had moved up to this level, we are not trading in this. We are still not trading in this. We had not taken any positions. But as soon as we have seen that the resistance has been broken here, broken in a sense, When you see that the price movement is crossing those levels which are previous high, then it'll be a uh, resistance has been broken here. So that time you can take a buy position there at this point of time. All right. So in these things also, one more thing is there. I'll be telling you that. So if at all you had not taken any buy positions, what happens in our technical analysis assumptions, whenever you miss a chance of buying any stock, any particular stock, whether it is futures or equities or intraday, or intraday, basically you will be seeing the fluctuation. Most of the things are, these kind of things happens in positional things. So this is what we are talking about positionals. We are not talking about intraday, because intraday has been not started from 31 to 2. We are not talk Intraday is not from 31st of August till 2nd of September. If at all we talk about intraday, then it will be a 2nd of September. So 2nd of September starts, this is the 1st of September. Yes. This is the 2nd of September from here onwards. But we are talking about 31st, which is from here till here, and sorry, here and here, sorry. And the 1st of September comes from here till here. Sorry, here. So this is what we are talking about. We are not talking about intraday right now, but we are talking about how I'll be coming to the points of intraday also. I'll be coming to the 2nd of September. What will be the next step of the Nifty future? So here we have seen that this resistance has been made, support has been made, right? And after that we had seen that the resistance has been breached. So after breaching, you can take a buy position in this, or else you can just wait for this. Because in technical analysis, we assume that whenever the resistance or the support has been broken or breached, the stock will not directly go into the deep whenever it is going breaching the support, or whenever it will not go directly to the high whenever it is breaching the resistance. So this is the assumptions. 90% it works, 10% it doesn't work. So what happens? What is the next saying in the assumption? Whenever the resistance or the stop breached get broken, the stock will come down to that particular level again and test, means like again coming to that level again, means testing will happen on those levels, and that time you can buy or sell that particular future or equities or the underlying asset or the stock, anything, whatever the price movement is all about. You can take this example into the commodity market also, it will be same. I'm just not taking commodity because most of the traders are doing their trading in stocks and stock futures options like that. Very rare people go with the commodity market. So but the thing is, technical analysis will be the same thing as they are into the stocks. The price movement and the behavior of the technical analysis is nothing but the traders, how they're actually manipulating the pricing, how they're how where is the more demand and supply of that particular underlying asset. So this is all about the technical analysis. So now, as we have told that the resistance will be breached, after breaching it came down to the same. Whenever the resistance get breached, it becomes the support of that particular stock. Just keep in mind this is very important point. Whenever the resistance get breached or broken, that particular resistance will become support of that particular stock, right? Hope everyone is clear about this. So as a saying, resistance breached became the support, tested the support, and what I told, whenever the stocks test the support, it bounced back. Support, from testing of the support, it bounced back. From testing of the resistance, it bounced downside. Downturn will start from there. So tested the support, bounced back, and after that broke this support, and support became resistance. And after the resistance, you can see that tested the resistance, bounced down, tested the resistance, bounced down, tested the support, bounce up, tested the resistance, bounced down. This broke that support, tested the resistance, because this support has been becoming what now? This is the resistance now, because already broke here, breached here. So now it became the resistance. Resistance tested, came down. Resistance tested, came down. Resistance tested, coming down. But what is the correct? This is our, what you can take as a support here is this price level. Now, why I'm going with the shadows or the pure body? Let me come to this. Now, I was just placing this line here with the proper body. But here, what we have seen the past history of this future, that most of the fluctuation has not been happened here. It already went up to this trade. So we can't take this as a support or the resistance. We have to take where you can see the fluctuations or some kind of thing, ceiling or the support has been taken by that particular stock as a support to the resistance. So now we come to the shadow of it, and then you can see that every time it came here, breached here, between also came here. Let me increase the size. So came here, tested, broke, then again tested, and suddenly as it became the support, suddenly went up. So this is what we are taking as support now. So what is the current support of this Nifty? You can see this. This is the first support which we are talking about, which is 8811, and the next support comes into the picture is 8790. You can take. So these are the two supports which are the major thing in this Nifty future right now. So don't enter into any particular stock or the future or any particular underlying asset whenever you see that the particular stock is trading between resistance or the future. Oh, sorry, a resistance or the support. When you see that the stock has been coming to that support and have taken good volumes, then only go with those particular stock to buy when it is on support. When it is on resistance, go with short selling. Sell it first, buy it whenever it is coming to the lower price. So now this is the support. We are seeing these volumes. Now what is these volumes? How to understand the volumes? This is the next major concept in what we call technical analysis, you can say, or you can say in intraday trading. One second. So we have not got any questions till now. Hope everyone has understood whatever till now we had discussed about. So now what we are seeing, this is the support of this particular stock, and this is also its particular support of this particular stock. Now this is the volumes. What we are seeing at this volume whenever when this volume breakout happens, like it happened here. It happened here. Now you can see these are the normal volumes. Suddenly you have seen the huge volumes coming into this counter. Here also you have seen the volumes coming into this counter. Now if we go back, I wanted to go back because I just wanted to show how this momentum of this Nifty has been started. So this is the volume breakout happened. Now what is the volume breakout happened? How? We have seen this. This was the resistance of this particular stock, right? Coming, touching always, and this time breached the resistance. How this resistance already breached became the support of this. When volumes are also supporting that, go along with that. Always buy that particular stock. Whenever you see that breaching of the resistance and volumes are supporting it. Volumes are nothing but numbers of trading happened on that particular counter. Hope everyone is clear about this, right? So when this volumes are supporting in nothing but more buyers are coming into that counter. All right, sir. So when we had seen that the resistance has been breached there and more buyers are supporting, you can go with the target. Now coming to the target and the stop loss of that particular stock, how to decide the target. Now, these are the targets. Targets can be taken as the resistance or the support. How to take the stop loss of those? I'll be telling you this. Let me clear all these things which we had drawn above, right? So it should not be so confusing. So we'll be taking this as a red color and this will be taking as a green color. So what happened here? We had seen we'll be going to the we'll reduce a little bit of size. Okay.
Hey, this is Roshan here. I just have a doubt. How did you, basis on what basis you selected the red line?
Green one or red one, sir?
I didn't interrupt earlier. So
Sorry, sir.
I didn't understand on what basis you took the like support of the resistant line, the red line.
The both the lines you're talking about, or you're talking about only the red one or the green one you like?
Only the red line.
Only the red line. Okay. Can you see my screen? No. One second. I'll just. So hope you can see my screen now. Right?
Yeah.
All right. Fine. Now coming to the past of this. We have seen this. Of this particular stock support we can take with the help of this. When we have seen the price movement of any past history that this stock has been coming to this particular price movement, then when it was falling we can take this as a support. All right, sir.
Okay.
And support also I can. Yes, sir. Tell me. Roshan sir, go ahead.
Your voice is not. Your voice is breaking. I just I sent
Yes,
you
sir.
the
Go ahead.
question. Yeah, the question was about the red line. I got the blue line which you drew, which is based on the previous low,
Right,
which you took it as resistance, right?
right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how did the red line, based on what made you to take the red line on that level?
Yes, yes. I was coming to that. In between, there was a voice from your side. I thought you were asking me some question, so I just stopped in between. So no issues. I was just going with the red line. So let me be very like zoom in a little bit. So after this, we knew this. This is the support of that particular stock, right, sir? This blue line. How we had taken this red line. Zoom out a little bit. Okay, you have seen this stock has been fallen to this particular price, and after that, bounced back a little bit and came breached this, touched because this became the resistance of this. Why we are taking the resistance? I'm just telling you that. But already we had taken this. So already tested, tested, again tested, tested, right, sir? And we had taken this as a support. Support one breached, again came up, tested, tested support, and breached. This is the support now, and this is the resistance. Now, hope you are clear with this point why we had taken this as a resistance. Hope you're clear with this.
Yeah,
If it is still,
yeah,
yeah,
yeah. You got it. So when it was in up stage, so it was touching up, one particular point, or it was trying to touch. So
right,
that's the reason you took one high in that and made that as a resistance, right?
right,
It's the same case. Yeah. So it came down and again it started touching one particular point. So when you there you selected one particular support
right.
point.
Right, exactly. The small mistake, like in the simple language, if at all I want you to understand the support or the resistance is nothing but support is whenever you see that you have seen ball, whenever you bounce that ball on the ground, always it goes to the ground, come back, goes to the ground again, and bounce back again goes to the ground. So this is what the same case happened with the stocks. Whenever you see that the price is going to the some particular price level and again bouncing back from those levels, going again to that levels, so that is nothing but the support of that. That is the ground of that particular stock. And resistance in the simple language is nothing but the ceiling. Whenever you throw the ball in the open sky, it doesn't have any limit. But whenever you are throwing the ball in the closed room or where you have a ceiling of that, so it just come down from there. Again, if at all you throw, it will again go to that particular levels. It will not break those levels. But if at all, the same case happens in stocks. Whenever you see that the stocks went up to the ceiling, again went up, tested, came down, tested, came down, tested, came down. And this is the support which we had taken according to the previous history of this particular stock. We had seen this the tested, again bounce back, tested, bounce back, tested, bounce back. And this is the level, as I told you previously. If I told you 90% chances are that the stocks will behave in the same particular manner. So we had seen this particular time, the stock breached the resistance of this, tested again, right? As I told you, it will test again. Most of the people think that they have the stock already breached the resistance level or breached the support level. Now they don't have the opportunity to get into that particular stock, but that is wrong. The first breaching doesn't have that much of impact with the second testing of that particular stock. So breaching doesn't have that much of impact as it doesn't moved up with one on the breaching, but when it tested after that it moved up. So that is what this is the second chance most of the most of the traders get into that particular. So hope you are clear with this.
Yeah, yeah, got it. And if I'm not wrong, so resistance level or the support level, and try to move up. At that time, if there is a high volume of buy, then
Mhm.
it's an indication that it's gonna reach to a next level.
Right, exactly. So that is the next topic of this seminar. It's like how to select the target of this and the stop loss of the particular stocks. Right. So we'll be coming to that. Now I'm zooming out. So as already we had targeted this, it's like already when this breached happened and the tested happened, most of the traders got into this particular stock at this level, which is 8635. All right, sir. So this
Yeah.
was the level. Yeah. So this was the level at which the most of the traders got into this particular stock. And after that, what happened? We have to select the target of this particular stock. What will be the next target of this particular stock? So we have seen that the stock has been moved up to this level, tested again. So this will be the become the resistance of that particular stock, right? So next resistance on the buying side will be the target of any particular stock, any particular stock. So this is which we are talking about right now. We are talking about Nifty, and this is what most of the people will be thinking, that I have selected Nifty because I wanted to do this. No, we'll be taking your stocks after Nifty futures, and we'll be deciding what will be the next target of the stop loss. Yeah, stop loss of that particular stock. Whatever you decide, you give me the stocks. I will be discussing on that particular. So now what happened, we have seen the Nifty has been broken the resistance, and what will be the next target of this? The next resistance of that particular Nifty future. So Nifty future next resistance is 8730. 8730. 8730. I request you to mute your mic. If at all you have any questions, you can just open it and ask me. Yes. Next resistance was 8730. So this will be our target, and how to decide the stop loss of this particular. So stop loss you can decide with the, you can take 1%. In Nifty you don't go with the 1%, because if at all you will be going with the 1%, then you will be into huge losses. So you can take as you can see. Let me zoom on. So
Can you share the screen?
is it not visible, sir? All right. So I'm sorry. I hope it is visible now, right, sir?
Yeah, it is.
Okay. So now what happened? We had we had gone a long here. We'll be okay. So we had gone long here at 863435. This is the levels which we had gone long. Long in a sense, we had bought this particular future on that particular day. So where should we keep our stop loss? We can keep our stop loss here. Already when the stock has not been reached there. So which is 8575. So that's like after this, we know this is the support of that particular stock. This is the support of that particular stock. No, this is not the support of that particular stock. This blue line. How we have taken this right? Yes, how we have taken. I'm just coming to that point. So we knew this is the support of that particular stock. Stock has been falling to this particular price, and that bounced back a little bit and came to reach this. Touched because this became the resistance of it. Why we are taking the resistance? I'm just telling you. But already we had, so already tested, again tested. All right. One second, Roshan sir. Is my screen visible?
Yeah,
All right. So why we had taken this as a support, sorry, the stop loss. As you know that this is the support. The stock, if it all it comes down, it can come down to this level. Okay. Right. So it can come down to 600. All right, sir. So beyond that, what would be the safety reason? It's like safety levels where the support, the stocks can't move down. So already the stock already moved out because after breaching the support, it moved out to this levels. We'll take a smaller step below that particular price to be on a safer side. So that is why we had taken a support this thing stop loss as 8575, which is 25 points below that the support. Hope it's clear.
yeah. So we'll take the lowest one and just few points below it. Yeah.
Yeah, the few points, nifty few points, but I'll be telling you how to take the stop loss in the stocks, because stocks can move up in means like 1%, 2% or 10% in a day, but Nifty can't move that much in particular day. So that is why we don't take with the 1% or 2% support or the support this thing stop loss in Nifty. But whereas we can take all these levels in stocks futures or stocks equities. Okay. So now we had gone long at the price of 8635, and let me zoom on. And after that it already achieved our target, which is 8730. All right. We had got approximately 100 rupees profit there. And in the futures, if at all we are getting 100%, 100 points profit, that is 7,500 rupees profit we had made out of this particular stock. Now, what will be the next movement? Most of the traders get money this much. This is the limited money which they take. All right. Now, what is the next strategy which we plan into Nifty futures, which you can do that? What you can do is this is your this thing stop loss.
Your voice broke, for a minute.
All right.
Last you spoke after, like 100 points, the voice was big.
Okay, so this is the 100 points which we had made in Nifty futures. If at all we are talking about 100 points, that is 100 into 75, which is a lot size. So the trader had got 75,000 rupees, sorry, 7,500 rupees as a profit on that particular day. Sorry, next day, because we had taken this position on the closing, I think, if at all I'm not wrong. Yeah, it was on closing, and next day we had got this profit. So now what happened? If at all we see, this is the limited profit which the trader is getting. Now coming to the point, how to increase these profits? Fine. So as the second strategy come into the picture right now. So now what happened? We had taken this as a stop loss, right, sir? So after achieving to, means like after reaching to a 50% of our target, you should increase your stop loss to your buying price. After 75, you should increase your stop loss to your Oh, sorry, that was a support. So this was your buying price, and after reaching to the 75, you should go with 30 to 40% of whatever the profit is. All right. So we had taken the 40 points up from here, which is 80, 86, 80. Still, our target has not been achieved because already 20 points are remaining there. So we are near to 8710. After achieving this, don't put your never, if at all you want to get a huge returns, but huge returns. So never put your target price there. Go with the stop loss. Go with a mental stop loss first when you are putting your orders, keeping in your mind this is my stop loss. If at all these price will come, I'll automatically come out from this particular counter. Don't put your stop loss in your orders there. Hope you are clear with this thing. Because why I'm telling you don't put your stop loss in your orders. Whenever you're going with a smaller stop loss, there are more chances that whenever you are placing an order, your stop loss can trigger in the fluctuation. So never go, or if at all you want to go, I'm just telling you the safer side. So don't go with the stop loss. Go with the stop loss, but keep those stop loss in your mind and even the targets. So when we had not keep this target in our mind, so this was the thing. We'll delete this support also now. This was our buying price. Yes. So this was our buying price. No, this. So this was our buying price, and after that we had increased our stop loss, which was at this level. After reaching at this level, the price has been reached to this level. We had increased to our buying level, and after reaching to our buying level, we have still increased to 8680, and after that, still as soon as the market is increasing, we are increasing our stop loss. 20 points up, we are increasing 20 points up. So there was a difference between how many points? 30 points, because that time it was just below 20 points from 8730. It was at 8710, and our this thing was at 8780. Oh, sorry, 8680. So we had a difference of 30 points. Now here you can see is here it was at 8810. So 34 points from here is at this level, right? So this is our stop loss till now. It has not been breached or touched even now. So still, how many points of profit we are having? From 8630, we are having 8810. We'll take it as. So this is 70 point to 700, and after that 100 points to 8, 170 plus 10, 180 points we are having. 180 points, in a sense, we are roughly getting around 15,000. In how many days? Just in 2 days. So this you can say as a boom or because of a rally. And these strategies will work only in rallies. Whatever I'm telling you right now, these strategies will not work in a swing. This thing, the stock is resting at particular price level, and you're trading in between that. No, I'm talking about whenever the breaching is happening, breakouts are happening. Then you can have this strategy into your trading. This thing. Uh, the behavior which you do, and you can get these profits. So this is the one point. Never go with the targets, go with the stop loss. So this profit is secure for you. So 80, 700, 700 plus 70 here. 70 and 80, how many points? 150 points are very secure for you. That is around 10,000, 11,000 is your definite profit, which you will surely get in your pocket. Still, if at all the Nifty moves up, you can still increase your stop loss to this particular level. More movement shown by Nifty, you can still move your particular stop loss. Whenever there will be a downturn moment or the Nifty turns into the negative, automatically you will be out of that particular this thing counter, and you will be under this much of profit, not loss. So these are the two strategies which you can work with. Trail your stop loss, which Zerodha has given you for an example. Trailing stop loss, don't go with the stop loss, because what happened in that case and this case is totally different. This stop loss you are moving manually as you want. Those stop loss are moving as your sudden breakout happened, and after that suddenly the stock moved down, you will be out at your loss or the minimum booking or the profit or at the buying price. So don't go with the trailing stop loss in because these are the trailing stop loss which I'm telling you the positional things as I have shown you in this, right, sir? So now we'll be coming to the particular. Hope Nifty is clear with this thing. And what will be the next scenario? Sorry, we have not discussed that. We'll be discussing. So as you can see, this was the price movement which we had seen from past few days, right? And we had taken this as a support. So 8,800 is very much pure support, where as I told you before also. And the next thing is this is the support which has been breached, right? So I'm telling you as clear things as I have discussed with you. I'm not telling the new things. I hope you are getting those things. If at all you think that these are the new things I'm telling you, or something is new included which I have not discussed with, you can just ask me in between any time. So we had this as a support, we have this as a resistance. So you can see that 8,800 and 8,020 is the major support and the resistance which the Nifty is trading in between. So as you can see, the Nifty, as soon as the Nifty will break 8820, the next target you can keep as 8844 or 8860. So there almost around 25 points to 40 points you will be getting as a target. Now what will be the stop loss? Stop loss you can keep at this, as we have discussed before, 90. All right. So this will the stop loss for buying side. So buying position will happen only on 8820 with the volumes, 8820 with the volumes, and the stop loss will be 8790. So 20 points plus 10 points. It will be 1 second.
Hello, Piyush? Hello,
It looks like Piyush is on mute.
hello,
Right, sir. Yes, sir.
It looks like Piyush is on mute.
yeah,
Can you hear me now, sir? Right,
yes,
sir. Yes, sir.
It looks like Piyush is on mute. It looks like Piyush is on mute.
Can you hear me now, sir? Right,
yes,
sir. Yes, sir.
It looks like Piyush is on mute. It looks like Piyush is on mute.
Can you hear me now, sir?
yeah, yeah, we can hear you.
All right, all right. If at all you have any queries, I just request you to mute your mics. And if at all you have any queries, you can put down your queries in the Q&A sections or the comment sections there. And I'll be looking out those things and I'll be answering you.
Okay.
Right. Okay, fine. Thank you. So, yes. So we had taken the view of Nifty. What will be the next view of the Nifty? The same thing applies on the sell side. If at all it breaks the 8,000, which I'm very sure, means like I'm still positive on Nifty. It should not break this levels, which is 8800. If at all it breaks, then you can go short with this particular Nifty. And what will be the next target? I can tell you. You can just go with the assumption of this level, which is if at all it breaks, you will be getting 50 points below, which is 8750. So this can be your target. Hope Roshan sir is okay with this and means like have no idea, means like no doubt in this.
Yeah, because it is trying to test that line again, so we can take
Right.
that as a
Exactly,
support.
exactly. And the stop loss will be above 10 points above that, which is 8830. 30 points above that, 8,000, right? 8,800. That will be a stop loss, and the target will be 8750. Hope I'm clear with the targets and the stop loss of Nifty in the coming days. And you can just watch it. I'm not telling the today's what will be the target and these things. It can achieve in today, means like today also. After means like now, European market will be getting open. We'll be going to once again to that particular. Yes, we'll be going to see how this European market has been opened. Not see these things has been opened to the positive sign, which is FTSE 100 and CAC 40. So they have given a few some positive indicator that once. All right. All right. So we have seen this. This is the positive indicator. Still, this is not open. Let it open, and we'll be seeing what exactly the scenario is going to be in the future. All right. Uh, so I can just, it's like I can just request everyone, if at all they have their any positions in their particular stock, so we can just discuss about those particular
So I can
stocks.
just, it's like I can just request everyone, if at all they have their particular stocks, so we can just discuss about those particular stocks. It's like I can just request everyone, if at all they have their particular stocks, so we can just discuss about those particular stocks. It's like I can just request everyone, if at all they have
I request everyone to close their mics, and I also request you to post down your stocks which you want to review or see the today's movement after this European market has been opened, and discuss over how exactly will be the next move of that particular stocks. So I request you to post down those particular stocks into the comment sections, so that we can just go through once. And also that I'll be going through in Infosys right now because I have selected this stock. I was just watching it from morning. This is actually a good stock, which is near to its support, and take a position in that particular stocks. We'll be discussing on those things. Till the time you can just post down your some stocks, so we can just go through it once. Hope everyone can see the screen.
Yeah, we can.
All right. Okay, so now coming to the Infosys, how the next move can be on this Infosys is. Let me ask you these things as I told you the support and the resistance of this particular stocks. So can anyone tell me what will be the resistance of this stock? Why it had came down uh, from particular points? Can you just tell me about these points? Can you just tell me why it came down from this level? Why it came down from this level? Why it bounced back this level?
Dipesh, your voice was choppy.
Okay. Is it clear now, sir?
It's appears like it's more like a bandwidth problem. Maybe if you have turned on the video, you can switch off your webcam. That would at least improve
It's
the
actually
audio.
switched off, sir.
Okay, now it's better. Now we can hear you clearly.
Okay. All right. All right. I'll be keeping this mic here. So, we were discussing about the Infosys. So let me come to the point here. As you can see that this was the point where the Nifty, the Infosys came down to this point, reached out to this point, and again coming back. So this point we can take as a resistance. As I have told you, this will be the ceiling of it. So this point we are taking as a resistance. So as you know, after the reaching this particular price again, the Infosys again bounced back from that particular price, which is 1060. You can take as this point. All right, fine. So next price moment, you have seen this consolidating at this particular price. You have seen that the stock moved up to this particular price, tested and moved up this and breached. So this is also we can take as a small resistance of that particular price. If at all you have any queries, means like no, that should not be a resistance. You can just tell me, and we can clear on those things. All right. So this thing we can the first support can be there can be a multiple of resistance and a multiple of support of that particular stocks. We are talking about the positions right now, but we'll be going to the intraday as we have the shortage of time. I know that, but we'll be discussing as it goes on. We'll be going on with that. And if at all someone is having their work to be done, or they have other things to do, they can leave us. This is not the compulsory that everyone has to attend this. They can see the video of this particular this thing seminar in our YouTube channel. I request you to subscribe it, and after subscription you will be getting a notification that this seminar has been posted there, and you can watch this seminar there. And after watching, if at all you have any queries, you can post your questions into the comment sections there, so that we can reply to it. So these things you can do. Otherwise, I'll be sharing you the link where you can ask your questions after the seminars also. So it is not required or the 100% compulsory that you have to ask your questions here. Otherwise, you will not get the answers later on. You'll be getting all the answers, whatever the questions or the queries you will be having in regarding the seminar, or any other questions regarding your trading or anything. Everything is most welcome, and anybody can ask.
Any other questions regarding your trading?
I request
Everything
you
is most
close
welcome,
your
and
mic, please.
anybody can ask any other questions regarding your trading. I request you close your mic.
All right. So we were talking about Infosys right now. So this can be a support of that particular stock. As we have seen, this is the particular stock, and this can be a support of that particular stock. So we have seen we'll be coloring this resistance as in red color and the support in a green color. So where we can take a long positions. Hope I'm getting requested of the stocks which you want to review. So I request if at all you have not posted anything, I request you to post some of your stocks which you want to review for intraday or the long position. So this is what we had taken this as a support, and this is as a this is also support. This is also support. These are the resistance, two resistance of this particular stock. So as we have seen, the Nifty is coming down. We'll just go to it once, and we'll be seeing. Still, it is above 8,800. We'll be seeing the next position how it goes. We'll be zooming in out once.
Roshan here. I have posted a stock. Maybe you can check in your
Yes,
Hangout
yes.
chat window.
Right, right. Fine. This is the Nifty. As you can see, volumes are also coming in. It can take a support of this. If at all it breaks, then there will be a selling position in this. We'll just go ahead and I'll, if at all it comes into the buying or selling position, I'll tell you how to go with the trailing stop loss and all those things also. Okay, there is Nahar Industries are there, KCP Sugar is there, and Just Dial is there. Just Dial, I think Arvind sir we had spoken yesterday regarding this, but we'll be talking about all these things. Yes. Yes. So Nahar Industries will be adding. So first of all, can we see this? Okay. So Nifty is taking support, I think, and volumes is also coming inside. But we'll not be taking any positions till as I told you, beyond 8820 or below 8,800. We are not taking any positions. Let the Nifty moves ups and downs between these price range, but we are not taking any of the positions between. So now we are going with the Infosys. So we have seen the support and the resistance of this particular stock. We have drawn all this. Sorry. Yes. So we have seen this. This is the resistance. This is the resistance. These are the two support of this particular stock, and still we have not seen much of the volumes are coming into this particular stock. So again, still we are not taking any particular position in the stock. If at all we knew about this 1040 is the next resistance and the support coming at 1030. So we'll be going with the intraday chart now. 1040, 1030. So these are the two support levels. This is the things which we can see it here. And still we can see that there is no much volumes coming into this, but we can take, if at all you are that much of a risk habitat of taking a risk in this particular stock market, so you can take a buy position in this particular stock right now, because what happens, volumes will be coming into this particular stock after seeing this bounce back also. So volumes or the buyers can come into this particular counter. Whenever you see the stock is coming to the support, you can go along with that particular stock, but you should go with the strict stop loss. So now we are okay. Nifty going down, I think. Yeah, breaching that level. So Nahar Industries and KCP Sugar Industry. If at all I'm wrong with any particular stock code, just correct me on this. And just type. So these are the three stocks which we had got. Hope we had got some more. Okay, no, we have only three. All right. So we'll be going with these three stocks. You all are seeking this information for intraday or how it is? Everybody, I think, seeking the information for intraday.
Roshan here. Mine is Lotto.
So you are not seeking for intraday, sir?
No.
Do you want the views on this particular stocks which you have given with Nahar Industry for intraday or how it is?
Let's say for internet.
Intraday, right? So as we can see that the market has been started from 2nd September, which is I had this 2nd September here 9:15, and we have seen that the market has been constantly being trading between 900 and 103.5 to 102. So what we have to do is we'll be taking this 100 and all right, fine. So this is the price movement which we have seen. Sorry, which we have seen. Just closely watch out these moments between this box is nothing but the support and the resistance. This is the resistance and this is the support of this particular stock. I have just drawn it because the moment of this particular stock is trading in between this box, this price movement. So I have drawn this box, so it will be easy to understand. So whenever you see a breakdown, if at all you, for a intraday, I'm just telling you, if at all you see any breakdown beyond this one not 1.5 or above 103.5, then according to that you can go long or short. Hope I'm clear with this thing. And if at all you're looking for basically say longer perspective, then I must say this is the very good support which the stock is getting. So you can go long with this particular stock. And still there are many reforms are going in. Okay, this is another sugar. So this can be a good support of this particular stock. You can go long with this particular stock at this price moment, which is 100 or 105. At this price moment, you can go long with this particular stock. Again, you have seen the volumes are coming in this particular stock. So volumes, when this stock has been coming down, volumes you have seen from past 4 days. So it is from here. So it doesn't imply that if at all volumes are increasing and the price is decreasing here, came to the support, so it will still decrease to that level. And still, if at all you want the secure level of this buying, then you can go along with 90 and 90. Oh, sorry, 85, 90 levels. Whenever the stocks comes to this level, you can go along with this particular stock. So this is the view on Nifty broke on the level, and you have gone short with this particular Nifty. So what we have to do is as I told you, the trailing stop loss will be at 30-point different, right? 30 points difference in a sense is okay. Taking slowly up. It could support shadows are there. 90 till 90 is there. No? Good. Tell me, sir.
అవును అది చెప్పను అనుకుంటాను గ్యారెస్ రిలేటెడ్
Sorry, sir. Okay. So now coming to the KCP sugars. So as we have seen the very much boom in this particular stock from 33 point.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ ವಿಶ್ವ ಇದಾನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶ್ವ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡು ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸೀರಿಯಸ್
Okay, I have got some more positional KCP. Okay, KCP is for positional, and ITC futures stock in long term. I mean positional in short sell, and SBT in positional equities. Okay, so ITC futures will be looking out. All right. So ITC futures and SBT. So SBT will be looking out, and we'll be looking out for ITC. Sorry. So ITC futures and SBT equity. All right. ITC futures. So coming to KCP, sir asked me for positionals. So positional, if at all you want to go with date, this thing, 1 day candlestick. So candlestick one, good position buying at this particular price at this particular levels. So as you can see, this was the resistance. This was the resistance, broke the resistance and became the support of this particular stock. Taken the support, and what I told you, one time when the support tested, that power is not that good as when the second time the support will uh, been tested. So at this level, 32.5 is very good levels to buy this particular stock. And even you have seen this, many buyers are there when this resistance has been breached. So many buyers are supporting this particular thing. So when on a huge, if at all we see on June when this resistance has been breached, buyers were there. Again in the month of September, so June, July, August, September, after 3 months or a quarter, the stock has been coming out to the support. You can just make an estimation of that. June is the 6 months, so the first second quarter of the, yes, tell me. First quarter of that particular stock has been given some profit or some good news. Because of that, the resistance has been breached. Now the second quarter has been coming to this thing, September. So that time you can buy this particular KCP sugar for a longer period of time, is like for the positional trades, and keep a target of 45. Or if at all we go in a history, let us see that this is the closest target which we are telling you. So you can go along with this particular stock at the price level of 32, 32.5, and you can keep a target of 45. And the stop loss you can keep at is 25. So whereas you are keeping just a 5 rupees loss in that, loss in this, plus your target will be 15 points. So you are keeping the ratio, risk reward ratio of 1 is to 3. So this is the best stock which, if at all you want to go with the positional trades. So hope I'm clear with Sanjeev sir queries. So Sanjeev sir, if at all you have any queries, you can just regarding this, more queries regarding this stock, you can just post down there so that I can just come down to the. Now coming to Just Dial, and Just Dial, I think sir has asked me for intraday thing. If at all I'm not wrong. Particular engineering. Okay. So which sir we had discussed about. Okay. So Arvind sir is asking about the option of I think Just Dial. Okay. And Patel Engineering we had discussed. All right. Fine. We'll be discussing.
Piyush, are you able to hear me?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Piyush, we discussed about the Patel Engineering around 1 week back, but you asked me to wait for around 35 level. But
Mhm.
from the yesterday it went 6 rupees and today it went 10 rupees upside. Now it is trading at 64.5. What is the suggestion? Should I invest or should I wait for this is sudden spike, almost 16
Right. Right.
rupees in 1 day because of the company debts they reduced around 50% because of the reason it's went. Maybe
Mhm.
the upside we can expect up to 130 to 150 level. So that's what I'm asking. So can you please go through that graph for
Sure.
around 1 year?
Yes, yes. We'll be going with this.
Yeah,
So
sure.
yeah, we'll be going with Patel Engineering also. So this is the okay. So sir was asking me, Arvind sir was asking me about the just dial options. So I just wanted to ask him which options he has taken. Can you just Arvind sir, if at all you're hearing me, just can you post down which option you have taken, call option or put option, and which strike rate you have taken it. Till that time, we'll be going with some other things, which are SBT. SBT, I think, is for sorry. SBT in positional equities. C 560 call option. Okay, 560 call option sir has taken. And Sashank sir is asking me SBT equity for the positional. So we'll be going with the positional trade in SBT. SBT will be going with the day. I'm reminding once again, if at all you going with the positional trades, look into day one candlestick for one day. If at all you are going with the intraday, go with the 5 minutes chart. As you can see, this was the resistance of this particular stock. Breached, tested again as it becomes a support, and still trading above its support level, which is the support was at 440. Next support we can take as 500. But the thing is, now the clear picture is not there. 540 and 500, between this, the stock is trading. This is the same scenario which Nifty is trading now, right now. So I'll suggest you this whatever the recommendations or the anything is coming from my side is totally on the technical analysis things. We are considering the support and resistance of this particular stocks and the volumes of this particular stock and the history, what the stock has been given us as a history. If at all we see the 5 years chart, might not be there, but all right. Now we can see something. Yes. So as you can see, this was the support tested by this stock and bounced back heavily. So this is the resistance which the support the stock is getting, right? If it all we talk about this, so this is the resistance which the stock is getting every time. So 575, 600 levels are the resistance level. So if at all you want, and these are the support of this particular stocks, 500, right? Am I clear? Shall I draw the line of just so these are the support and these are the resistance. Every time stock is good. So if at all you, I'll not suggest you to go with this particular because the price momentum. If at all you see, right now it is trading at 530, right? And stock upside resistance is at 580 and downside it is at 500. So below 30 points it has a support. Above 50 point it has a resistance. So with that 5 is to 3 risk and reward, you if at all you want to go with the long side, you can go with that. But still I'll recommend you to wait for some time. I'll recommend you to wait for some time. Say that if at all it comes to 500 level or 510 level, then you can go long with this particular stock. Because in this particular range, whenever the stock is trading in between those range, as I told you in Nifty also, don't trade in those particular stocks. Go with the safer stocks. So whenever you have seen these levels, if at all you had gone with these levels long, you had got a huge profit. So now when somebody is telling you find these kind of stocks are into news, don't go with news. Do your own analysis. Yes, I think someone. All right. So I hope Shashank sir was like clear with this SBT, and then ITC future he have asked me for a long period, means like the position is short sell. So ITC future we had taken. All right. So this is the intraday things which we are short sell. We'll go with the hourly basis because, as you know, stocks futures are not you can keep for a 1 year or 2 years. You have to expire. You have to close the position before the expiry. If at all you want to go long, oh sorry, short in this, you can go right now. This is the correct price. If and this is not the correct way where you have to go with the ITC future. You have to look at. You can go with the view with ITC in equity, so that you can have a good idea about this. Hope I'm clear with all these things. But like, if at all anybody is having any questions, they can directly ask me. We had gone very long. So these levels are already breached, which is 861. It's 60. It is breaching the level, but the thing is, volumes are not that much supporting. Nifty is, if at all Nifty supports it, then there will be a risk. Okay, Nifty has taken support, bounced back, but as we had discussed about the Infosys, we are into the profit of 1 point some rupees. Okay. So, sir, I'll suggest you to give me 1 or 2 days because there is still not so clear picture. If at all you want to short with this particular time of this ITC, you can short with this thing. But I'm still not very clear because price is trading above that particular resistance, but volumes are not that much of supportive in these things. There are few other things which you have to look out. I'll be telling you those things. Let me clear. Let me open these things. You have to go with the NSE India.com. Sorry. Go with the live market equity derivatives. Go with ITC. All right. So ITC here we can see the these are the put and these are the call total open interest. So it is not that much of good ratios, but yes, as we can see here, the open interest it is on the above side, which is at 260. It is the open interest is very much 9 lakh something, 7 lakh 80,000. So this is the highest which we are talking about. So this is what we can take as the resistance of this particular stock on this particular month, which is September. It can change according to as the market will move or this particular stock will move up. I hope everyone is seeing my screen. So this is 270 is the resistance of this particular stock, and which is the highest here is 2 250 rupees. 250 can be a support of this particular stock. So now the stock is trading in between 250 and 270, which is exactly 260, 262. Like this, the stock is trading. So I'll suggest you to still the options people is like the people who are going with a, and still most of the people are coming in call option, and here most of the people are not coming here negative 3 lakh. I'll still feel that this is not the short time because most of the people are going with a smaller hike with this particular stock. Still, I'll not recommend you. It's like this particular price at this particular price, you don't short sell or buy this particular future. I'll suggest you wait for some time. If at all it goes high, let it go high, and later on we can decide whether you can short this particular stock or not, or how you can go about this particular stock. So I'll keep this mind. Anyhow, you are taking services from investment trust, so we'll just give you a review of this particular stock as soon as it comes into the buying side or the selling side. So hope I'm clear with this SBT and also with your ITC future stock. So Patel Eng is remaining. Then okay, the call options and the Patel Eng is remaining. So we'll be going through this. Patel Engineering. Okay, so there is 20% hike in this particular stock. So as I was telling you. All right. Uh, can Sujit sir? Okay, okay.
Yes, Bish.
Yes, 30s. All right, all right. Already upper circuit has been achieved, sir. One second. All right. So I was telling you this, it's like already upper circuit has been achieved. So what happens? What is the upper circuit and the lower circuit? When these particular stocks, no, when it's like the stocks which are not so liquid, liquid in a sense when the most of the tradings are not happening in that particular stocks. So there are few. Every stocks have their upper limits and upper circuit and the lower circuit. So what happens when this particular stock or any stocks when they hit their upper circuit, then there will not be any sellers in this particular yeah in this particular stocks. If at all you can see, there is uppers. Uh, yes, 64.60 is the upper circuit, and this is the lower circuit 43.10. So what happens whenever the stock trades on this? I can give you an example. I wanted to take this is a very good stock which I wanted to keep in my portfolio for a longer period of time, which is Ecom, and I can just show you that particular stock is not allowing me to take that particular stock into my portfolio because it already been achieved the upper circuit, and always whenever I go with the buying, I'm not allowed with the buying. It's like already you have to put this 64.6. There will not be any seller in this particular stocks. If at all some sellers will come in this particular stock, then automatically these much of buyers are there, which these much of quantities. So already when the first person who has placed the order at this particular price, so that person will get the that much of quantities. But as you can see, no sellers are this, but in this stocks right now already upper circuit has been achieved. So now what happened in upper circuit, you can see only the buyers. So I'll suggest you, if at all you want to go with a higher price, which is at trading at 64.6, you can place the order. Otherwise you can just wait for this particular stock.
Okay.
All right, sir. And I told you I told you 30 levels because this is the level which is very good for this particular stock. But if at all you want to take this level, you can almost like this stock purely into your, because it's very good. Fundamentally, it's very good. So this particular stock, if at all you want to keep in your portfolio, you can buy at 50 levels also.
Okay.
50,
Because
40.
from the last almost 3 months, it was trading only on around 43 to 47 range. Even the last week, it went again to 45. Again came back to 40, 48, 49. Again, it went to 47. From 47, it went to 56. Again, it is 64.
Right,
So
right.
yesterday there is a meeting happened from the company said AGM meeting happened.
Hmm.
So they reduced their debt to around 50% of debt they reduced. So
Right.
because of that reason it was started pushing. Even I missed that actually. I was keep on following, but I
Uh-huh.
missed it.
I'm really sorry I have not intimated you regarding this because I'm not following this stock. You have told me the stock, so I have just gave you my review on this particular stock. But I didn't knew about the meetings and all those things when it's going to happen. So because of these things, yeah, I'm really sorry we
Yeah,
had.
even my friend was he suggested me this. He told if it is coming below 50 rupees you can buy. But I'm checking from last 3 months it was trading there only. I thought okay, let's wait for some time. But I didn't expect this kind of a 20 percentage spike in a day.
Right.
It went into some high price. So I think I can wait for some more time. There is no sellers
Hmm.
when I try to buy in the morning itself, but uh,
Hmm.
there is no seller. So, Piyush, in the Monday, if something will happen on this, again it will go up
It
or it
will
will
be on the higher side, sir. It will not come down. It will not
okay.
come down.
So
So
if
it
I
can
want to
go. Yeah,
if I
it
want
can
to
go.
put an order for Monday,
Ah,
where should I place the order? See, now it is
you can.
64.6.
Right,
Should I
sir.
should I go with some 68 or something like that or
You
how?
can put down that. You can put down that. No issues.
Okay,
You can put down that. What happens if at all you will get a seller of 68, the order will get executed.
okay,
Otherwise, what happens? Whatever the sellers are the best price they are selling at. So they are selling at 65 and you had put down your orders at 68. So your order will go at 65 itself.
okay.
All right, sir. So,
But I
so
don't
these
think so. People will sell this because from long time, so many people are waiting for this.
exactly. As the fundamentally, this stock is very good, and now the upper circuit has been achieved. So most of the people are buying this stock, and more
Yeah.
buyers will be coming in. As you told, the AGM has been happened yesterday. So more and more buyers will be coming day by day.
Yes.
These stocks can go up to 80 or maybe 100 levels from this point of time.
Okay.
But whenever the stock achieve their this thing, no, upper circuit, so it's very hard to buy those stocks. It's really very hard. So if at all, it's very hard if at all they're illiquid stocks. But if at all they are liquid stocks, it is very rare to achieve the upper circuit or lower circuit. First condition is that, and if
Okay.
they achieve the upper circuit, then it's a little bit easy in their scenario because liquidity will be there, sellers will be there some point of time. Most of the sellers will be coming, fine, this is the good price I'm getting, let me sell these things. So they sell out at that particular price.
Yeah, but
So
currently what is happening per day 20% is going high or 10% is going. People will eagerly they will wait for to get the maximum.
Right. In this
That
case, I'm really sorry I have not done fair thing for you. I can suggest you one stock from my portfolio, which is very good. If at all you want to keep,
okay,
this will be a personal recommendations for you, so I can
okay,
give you that particular stock.
okay, 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 Piyush.
Sure. Uh, Apart from that, there is Arvind sir 560 call option of Jesdial and Hindalco 170 call option. So we'll be taking quickly that view. So just dial we have and then Hindalco. 560 call is really oh okay. So as you can see very clearly that this is the support of this particular stock. Volumes has been supported here. Or this is for you, Arvind sir. So no worries, I think, till here. So might be feeling now after getting the seminar, might be feeling that selecting stocks for intraday is really very easy after getting understanding of the support and resistance. But be very clear, all these things might be because you are having a different kind of behavior of trading. So it will be little difficult to indulge on in these things to understand the future and options as I am making you understand. You have understood already what is the support and the resistance. Sorry, I told future and option. The support and the resistance and the volumes. So it sounds very easy right now, but bringing these habits into your behavior, trading behavior, it will be a little bit complicated, but it can come down to your this trading behavior soon. But you have to practice it all every time. And the major thing which I forgot to tell you in the starting is that don't 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 put your money into the stock market with your heart. Always trade with your mind. Never trade in the stock market with your heart. Never. As I told Sujit sir that the stock should come to 30 levels or the 40 levels, then only you should go buy along with that particular stock. Go with the same strategy. Never go. If at all it rallied before that, let it continue. Don't enter into that particular stock. What you have decided, go only with that particular thing. Don't go beyond other things like fine, this rally has been started, still I want to enter it. No, don't go. If at all you want to go, go with a clear picture prescription like I want to enter in this particular stock at this particular price. Whenever that particular price is coming to your basket, then only go long or short. Otherwise just forget it. If at all that stock is not coming into your basket today, fine, the other stock will come. All right, so this is the one point. Let me come which options sir has taken. Can you please show me the uh, NSC portal search? I missed. Sure, I'll be sharing that. And 170 call options I has taken. So 170 is fine, but the thing is, Arvind sir, I'll be discussing all these things with you personally because I have to discuss on the price, at what price you have bought. If at all you had bought at these levels, then it is fine. You can come out at 162 levels also, or a little bit if at all it comes back. But 170 levels means 15% from here. But I don't think something will be happening in this particular stock in next 20 days in this. I think only 12 sessions are remaining for trading. So in 12 sessions, you expect 15% return. That is very rare. Let's see, and we'll be discussing on what price you have bought and all those things. Even with the Just Dial, 560 is very rare, I think. Good price as we have seen the rally here, but 560 is really impossible achieving 560. 560, I think 560. Yeah, 560. Sir has taken 560. I'll recommend is like if at all you see any bounce back in your price from the buying price, just come out from that particular stock. Don't wait for 560 because 560 is really very high. Really very high. Let me go with the 60 days. I'll show you 560 is very much huge. Very huge difference. 560 is almost here, so which we have seen in the month of July, and now September is happening. After that, the consolidation. So now you can take a 5-10 call option if at all you want to take the maximum, but don't go with the longer call options because the options. Most of the people go with the options. Yesterday, many people had made 700 or 1000% returns in Idea and Airtel just because they have taken the huge far this thing options. But it is very good if at all the stocks move according to you. But whenever the stock is not moving according to you, your slowly your this thing will vanish, get evaporated. Your value will get evaporated if at all that is not happening according to you. The stock is not moving according to you. So I'll not suggest you to go with this longer, far options, call options or put options. Go with the smaller put options or call options. Say now it is, if at all the stock is trading at, this is the best level can go with. 60 and 65, 70 is the best level where you can buy a call option. Fine. So 65, 70 is the best option to buy a call option. Go with a 5% lot. No? 5% in a sense, if at all it is a 500 also. So 1% is 500, 5 rupees, 25 above. So that is go with the 500. 500 if at all it attains, because after support, after taking the support, it will bounce back. If at all it goes to 500, you'll be getting a huge profit. You'll be getting around 300 time, 400 time profit of your capital. So that is also good. But keeping the greed of 200,000, sorry, 2000 or 1000% return, that is really your capital get vanished, but returns will not be so huge. You will be waiting for a whole till the expiry comes near, but your capital will not go. So I'll not suggest you to go with huge far options, call options or put options. I'll suggest you to go with the smaller options, near options. I hope I'm clear with the Arvind sir queries. And the thing is, I'll be discussing all these things like 560 call option of Just Dial and Hindalco 170 call options after the seminar, personally with you. That's for sure. I'll be taking your prices at what price you have bought it, and we'll be discussing how you can come out with this. So now coming to Sujit sir's query, which is he wants to see how I have went to NSE. So NSEindia.com, right, sir? Just press that, and now market is at 130. We'll be seeing how the European market is moving, and how the Nifty or the we had taken this Infosys, how those two things are moving. So in sorry, I just NSE, you went down to NSE. After that, go to live market. Under live, don't click on it. Just hover on live market, and after that, open chain on equity derivatives. Stock market is not a small thing. You can explore a number of things here. As much as you go in deep, you will be seeing that more and more things are there to learn. So now stock is trading at 8,775, around that. So now here you can see I get an idea of what would be the resistance of this particular Nifty in this particular expiry, which is September expiry contract. So this is the highest. Highest is 9,000. So 9,000 can be a resistance of this particular contract, September contract. This is which is the higher here, 8,600. So 8,600 can be a support and 9,000 can be a resistance of the Nifty. So this is how you can get an idea of Nifty, how it can perform in this particular contract. All right, sir. So this is the one thing. And whenever you want to search for any particular stock, you can put down their codes. You don't have to put down their numbers. Say LNT, so last, yeah. So say Bharti, हाँ. Okay, fine. We'll just discuss this. So say SBI, N we have to put. Don't put SBI. All right. So these things will be coming. So here again you can make an estimation of 240 and 260. All right, sir. So this is the estimation of 250 and 260 can be a support and the resistance of this particular stock and this particular contract, September contract. So this is the one thing which we are talking about. Now coming to the point again, it's still positive. So positive in a sense, we can't take a shot on this Nifty right now because other European market and after European market, this already these countries stock market has been closed. So we are not considering these now. We are considering these and this European market. So after European market, our market will be closed after a few hours, means like after 2 hours, and the US market will get open. So till 11 o'clock, there will be some changes according to the European market. So we can have a positive view still on Nifty. So Nifty, if at all we comes here, come back to Nifty, taken the support, again coming to the support which is 8,800. Fine, we'll see that. Okay, so we had on Infosys which is 1028. At 1028 we had bought this and still we are having a 2 rupees profit. So I'll recommend, means like I request you all to watch this particular stock which I have recommended you right now, which is Infosys. And like this, as I have given you the strategy, how I have taken this particular stock into the consideration, this Infosys, you can make out these particular stocks on your screens from tomorrow onwards. This is the one thing I just wanted to tell you. Other thing, I just wanted to tell you that it's like, and it doesn't mean that if at all you see in some news in the evening time after market hours, say this particular stocks are into the radar tomorrow, or you can see some news regarding some sectors, which is telecom sectors or something. Just select one or two stocks from there. Do some analyzations. After doing those things, you can select those stocks, put in your watch list for tomorrow intraday things, and according to that, just place your orders in that. This is how you can pick some stocks for intraday. Picking some stocks for intraday doesn't mean you have selected some stocks for intraday and you have to place order. No. Whenever they are giving you some chance to get into those buying position or selling position, then only go with the buying and selling. If at all they have not given you any chance, don't take. because unnecessarily you will be paying your brokerage, unnecessarily you will be having your losses. So this is the biggest mistake which people do or the traders do. Whenever they see some stocks, they have to enter into that particular stock. No, that is not the correct way. If at all you are not getting any stocks, just stop this. You have not made any money in this particular day. You have not either lost any money. So you are on balanced. If at all you are not getting any stocks, that's my personal advice which I'm giving you. Don't enter blindly on any stocks. Go with the stocks, select some stocks in the morning or in the evening for tomorrow, and from tomorrow when the markets open, you can see those stocks if at all they are giving you same situations where you buy all the stocks, then only go long. It's like buy those stocks. Otherwise, don't enter into those stocks. If at all those stocks are giving you sell indicators, sell signals, where you can sell those stocks, then only sell those stocks. Otherwise, in between those range where it is trading, don't enter into those particular stocks. All right, sir. So this is my personal advice to everyone. Apart from that, yes. So Sujit sir and everybody's queries are. I think I have given my views on this, and if at all you have still you have any queries or anything, you can just ask me. I'll just answer you all those things also. Apart from that, I just wanted to show you one thing, which is again, this is about my website. My clients might be knowing about this, but other people who are watching this uh, might not know. So still it is positive. Okay. So basically, let me tell you that we have a few things. We are not having means like I'm not promoting my website for doing anything. I'm just telling you that we have few things which you can make use of it. The first of all, you might be knowing that we are a partner with Zerodha. So for opening an account with Zerodha, you can recommend your friends here. It is not like that. If at all you are opening your account through us, so it can't be under you. What you can do is go to Zerodha Trust, which is here, as you can see. This is about services which we are taking. Let me come one by one. So services which we are giving is the three services which we are providing you. We basically provides you intraday trades, recommendations of the stocks, advisories, and also the portfolio management. So if at all some clients are there who don't trade their own, they want their account to be handled by us. So we even do that. So there are the separate charges for this and all those things. Plus, we are going with the intraday, which is equity, stock futures, stock options, indices, future indices, options. Everything is included in one thing, advisory. So when you are going with the advisory, you have two things, intraday and the delivery. We provide you both the things. This is the two things which we are providing you, advisory and the portfolio management. So free trial, if at all you want to opt for, you can go here and you can opt for the free trialing. This is for the new clients, which like new traders who are watching this video right now. So if at all they want to see our services, they can just put down their details here, and from next day onwards they'll be having a trial period for 2 days. Basically, we don't wanted to do this, but we are doing this because most of the people ask how can we trust all these things, because we don't put our uh, trades, whatever the trades we had done or we had recommended to our clients on a daily basis. So this is the pricing which we are recommending to our clients. For intraday, we are charging you 3,000 rupees. For positional, we are charging you 2,000 rupees. This is for separate people who traders or investors who wants to go either way. Or if at all you want to have the both the things in one, it's like intraday and the positionals you want to have together, then we are charging you only for 4,000. Where differently the charges will be 5,000. So these are the separate thing which is the which is our business basically. And coming to the point where most of the people wants to refer their person who open an account, whenever your friend or you open your account through us in Zerodha or any, we, as I told you in the starting, we have different like we are tie up with the every good discount brokers in this country. So we have few more. So basically every discount brokers have their advantages and disadvantages. So I'll recommend you not go blindly with Zerodha or with Ashler or Upstocks or anything. You can, what you can do is you can just write down a contact saying that this is the person or I am interested in all those things. You can tell us what is the scenario, what you are looking at, what is your interest. If at all you have an interest for a longer period of time, say investment kind of thing, then which kind of stockbroker will be good for you. We'll be suggesting you that particular stockbroker. If at all you are purely an intraday trader, then which stockbroker will be good for you? If at all you are just trading in equities, you're not going with future and options, then which stockbroker will be good for you? And if at all you are going with only for intraday and equity, oh sorry, future and options, then which stockbroker will be good for you? So you can contact us. You can tell us what is the query, how is your trading behavior. According to that, we can tell us which stockbroker will be good for you. But blindly, if at all you want to go with Zerodha, then you can go with you can come down to investmenttrust.in, click on Zerodha Trust, and below this you will be seeing one box. Opening Zerodha account through us will be giving you one benefits. You can open this account free of cost. If at all you can refer five more people to us. It's like the new people who is opening an account with that person. If at all he is opening five more accounts of his friends or family members or anyone, we can give them a free account from our side. Zerodha will not give you. If at all you are going directly to Zerodha, Zerodha will not give you any free account. So we'll be giving you this account free of cost from our side. This is one point. And still, the one person, you don't have five people who wants to open an account. So, and the other thing is, you will be getting 1,500 rupees ebook, which is free of cost again from our side. And one trade will be free of cost. One trade, profitable trade. One profitable trade will be free of cost to the person who is opening an Zerodha account through us for lifelong. Only for the person who is opening Zerodha account through us. We are not giving this offer to everyone. So most of the people comes us saying that I have referred this person, he is getting free intraday recommendations, but I'm not getting. Sorry, sir, you have not opened this Zerodha account through us, so we are not giving you free advice. The person who is open Zerodha account through us, we will be only giving to them this thing, free recommendation, stock recommendation, lifelong, free of cost. If at all they want more recommendations, they can subscribe to our services, but one stock will be free of cost every day to them. So what you have to do is, if at all you are new, you can come down, you can write your name, email ID, mobile number here, referral ID, because you are not referring anyone, you are new to this. If at all you already have an account with Zerodha and you want to refer your friend, and you want your friend should have all these facilities which we are providing, then you should put their name, your friend email ID, your friend mobile number, and your referral ID, because you have already have an account with Zerodha. So this is how you can map that your friend under you. So you will be getting 10% of the brokerage which he'll be generating. Plus he'll be getting the services which we are, the advanced services or the advantages which we are giving from our side to open the account in Zero. So he can have both the things. He can have our advantages also. Plus you will be having the 10% brokerage. So this is what you can recommend to your friends. And this is the education section where you will be getting particular emails and the messages of WhatsApp messages. If at all you are new, you are attending the seminar first time, so you will be getting next time whenever we will be conducting some seminar, you will be getting a mail regarding that. But next time onwards, whenever this is the same, and whenever we conduct any seminars, we put down the details here, saying that e-learning investors, these are the things which we are learning. And the 2nd September, 11 p.m., 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. This is the seminar, live trading seminars. With your, this is the offers which we provide you, and this is what you can do. You can register it. If at all it is free of cost, it will be free of cost. If at all it is a paid seminar, sometimes we give us paid seminar. So that time also you can click on this. If at all we had told you free, it will be free. If at all we had told you paid, it will be paid. Because some people don't click on this saying that we had told free above, but why are we telling to book the seats? If at all it is so, it will be free of cost as it is here. You don't have to pay anything. You just have to put down your details. And after that, this is trading Q&A section, which we had started very recently, very recently. So we don't have any questions. I don't think we have any questions till now. But I request you all, if at all you have any questions regarding Zerodha or any other discount brokers or investment trust or stock recommendations or anything regarding the stock market or anything you want to ask me, you can put down your questions here, and you will be getting all the rewards within 24 hours. This is what we assure you. So anything will not be entertained through WhatsApp from now onwards. Everything, whatever you want to have an answer or you want to ask anything, you can put down those questions here, and automatically you will be getting those answers within 24 hours. So this is one more biggest things which we are doing. Suppose you are not from a financial background and still you want to enhance your financial things or the knowledge which you want to acquire from outside. So this is what we are providing you in a blog. We write some blogs, and you can just go through with these blogs, and you can learn or enhance your financial knowledge. uh, these blogs actually we write on credit card insurance and all those things, even taxation. And yeah, that's all about these things. There are few things which we are coming up, and again, this is the contact us, as I told you, page. Nothing much more about it. Market is recovering, as I told you. It's positive. All the positive signs are there. These markets are already closed, as I told you. These markets are open, and these markets are, European market is open. Let us see what is the position in the stock market right now, in Infi. And so Nifty has already taken the support of it, going back to its resistance. And as we can come up with the Infosys we had bought at 1028. Now it is trading above that, which is 3.5 points above the buying price. So this is what it is. And the next target which you can keep is 34 or 36, like this. You can keep it as a target. So this is what from my side. Uh, uh, Basically, that's all from my side, and you can just watch this Infosys after ending the seminar. Also, I just request you. Can I stop sharing my screen from you guys? Okay. So hope you like the seminar. Hope you have got some idea about the intraday things. Still, if at all you have any queries or something is like I have not understood or how to go along with the intraday things, I have not understood still now. So you can just tell me in the comment sections, or this video will be uploaded on YouTube. Again, if at all you have any queries or you want to watch it again, you can watch it there. Or if at all you want to recommend this video to some of your friend whom you think it will be useful for them, you can recommend. You can send those links to your friend, and they'll be watching those videos, just like that video, this video on YouTube. After that, if at all your friend or you have any queries regarding this video or what we had discussed in this video till now, you can comment your questions in the comment section in YouTube, so that I can just revert you back on those things. Plus, plus, the other things, as I told you, I have shown you my websites also. So and plus more, I'll be adding you in our group. So if at all you have any queries or any other discussions you want to have, or you want to contact me, you can contact me directly on my contact number. No issues in this. Plus, you'll be receiving a mail after this with a small token of a gift to you all people. I kindly request you to download those things, whatever I'll be sending you those things, so that it can help you out in your trading, whether it is intraday or positions, whatever you do. So those things will be helping you in those things. So I'll be sending you a mail. You can just go through it and download the things which I'll be sending you. And if at all anybody found anything, it's like there is these things are missing, what I request you to just send me suggestions what we can come up with the new things, or what we can correct in our videos, so that next time whenever we are coming with new videos, we'll definitely not repeat those things. So this is what we have done today. Still, Nifty is positive, as I told you. Uh, Yes, Nifty is positive, Infi is positive. Nihar, we had discussed few stocks which we had discussed. I'm just repeating because I don't want to miss anything. ITC, we had discussed ITC again. Shashank sir, it's trading at higher level, which is 62.60 over 262 to 263. Pertailing the same thing. Hindalco positive. Fine. So these are the things which we have discussed, and the same thing I'm just repeating again. If at all you have any suggestions or anything, you can just post down, so that I can just don't repeat on the next video. Fine. Can we just sign off from here? I just wanted to ask, like I just wanted to have everybody's answer, so that.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
All right. So everybody's are okay with their doubts. It's like everybody's doubts are clear and everything, right?
Yeah.
All right. And if at all you have any queries or any doubts, I'll be adding your name. All right. So everybody's are okay with their doubts. It's like everybody's doubts. Yes.
Yeah.
All right. And if at all you have any queries or any doubts, Sanjeev sir, you want to ask something or something? Everybody's doubts.
And that's okay, Vijay. It's okay.
All right, sir. If at all you have any queries, like any doubts and you don't want to ask here, you can directly ask me on WhatsApp, or just mail me. I'll revert you back on this. Fine. So Shank sir, I think everything is clear with you, and even the.
Hello. And that's okay, Vijay.
All right, perfect, sir. If at all you have any queries, like any doubts and you don't want to ask here, you can directly ask me on WhatsApp, or just mail me. I'll revert you back on this.
Okay, sure.
Fine. Shashank sir, I think everything is clear with you, and even the.
Hello. And that's okay.
Alright, alright. If you have any queries, like any doubts and you want to ask him, you can directly ask him on WhatsApp or just mail. We will do that. Okay. Sashank sir, I think everything is clear with you. You had some queries. I hope that is clear. Or if you have still have something, you can just ask.
Hi Piyush, Shashank here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thanks for the demo first. And
Mm-hmm.
actually that time I was watching on the YouTube, but I missed that part, the nifty thing which you were explaining. So maybe possibly you're going to share that video. So I will look into that and get back to you if I have any doubt.
Right, right.
Yeah.
Definitely, sir.
As of now, I don't want to take your time because market time is there, so you can do something with the market.
Right, right. I'll definitely do that. Fine.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Arvind, sir, anything from your side?
Yeah, thanks for the demo, Piyush. I think it is great. I'll get back to you if I have any doubt. Thank you.
Sure, definitely. And we'll be discussing about Gestyle 560 and 170 Hindalco call options.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. Yeah, thank you.
Sure. All right, sir. Ravi, sir, from anything from your side? I think Ravi's. Okay, Ravi sir left from the group. All right, sir. Fine. Thank you very much for attending this seminar. And again, if at all you have any doubts, as you all people, means like all the three people who are attending right now are taking my services. And if at all you have any queries regarding my services or anything, you can ask me questions, and you will be getting everything from my side as you will be asking me. All right, this is what I can do right now, and signing off right now. Anyhow, we'll be in touch. All right, fine. Thank you very much.
Bye, Piyush.
Yeah, bye bye.